Hi everyone, my name is Regina S. Omnos, and today we're going to talk about a really interesting mathematical shape called a Mobius strip. And this is probably a little bit different than the shapes you've heard before because this shape was actually discovered by a German mathematician named August Mobius in 1858. Alright, so all we need are pieces of paper, tape, and a scissor. So in this video, I want to show you math that describes well-known properties of Mobius strip. And it cuts, and we also see simple but powerful math model with specific capabilities and limits. So let's start by cutting various shapes. So when we cut a simple zero twist loop lengthwise in half, we get, yes, two identical zero twists. When we cut out a strip of paper and then loop it around to make a circle, but flip one side over, then tape that together, so you have a circle that looks like this with a twist in it. So this is a Mobius strip. Now, when we cut in half one twist loop called Mobius strip, so atong ikat, now we get 1/4 twist loop. As you can see, when we cut Mobius strip and thirds lengthwise, alright, now we get 1/4 twist loop and one maybe a strip interlocked together. It gets really interesting when we take two loops and stick them together. So first, let's take two simple zero twist loops and stick them together in 90 degrees. Atong itapot and then cut them. Atong ikat ang isa ka loop. And then look at that. We get a square, which is quite surprising for most of students. So we can try to reconstruct it back to see how a square can be a result of cutting two loops. Now here, we're gonna use a two Mobius strip. So the first paper is gonna twist it clockwise, like that. And then the other paper, we're gonna twist it counterclockwise. So the strips are mirror images of each other and cannot be simply torn into the other. Anyways, if we stick together two different Mobius strips and cut them, so cut the first one, the pink, alright, and then the other one, the blue one. Now this is quite surprising because we get two hearts interlocked into each other. However, if we stick together two identical Mobius strips both clockwise, and then stick together and cut them. Something quite disappointing. It is because after cutting, the result, as you can see, it falls apart. So, nagbulag siya. Tapos, kanang isa is more siya both og forma, then isa is twisted. So, the lesson that we get here, after performing or demonstrating different Mobius strip, is that as a teacher, it is very important to give clear instruction to your students so that they would be able to come up with the correct outcome or product. To sum up, the Mobius strip is more than just great mathematical theory. So it has some cool practical applications, whether as a teaching aid for more complex objects or in machinery. And the Mobius strip also may be seen in architecture. For example, the Wujizi Bridge in China. So I think that would be all. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and God bless.